Star King Selassie. So, Rastafari lives on the rain, the other more flesh. Okay. Yeah, you know it's so Sizzla for love, you're working out for your life and in color. Gosh! Gosh! That's just what I ask. When our people gonna live in love and stop from fighting? Why can't people see themselves as brothers and sisters? Why can't we just get along? If you're not your brother's keepers, what can you say to me? If you're not your sister's keepers, then you must mind me. There is a wide world with a whole lot of people. Some doing good and some doing evil. Still the most I give them food for all season. Still the sun, moon and stars shine for a reason. To see the world in love, I'm so anxious. I love the black roots and the black consciousness. All those who are confident in themselves, put your hands up. Jack will destroy this earth on just one touch up. When our people gonna deep in love and stop from fighting? Why can't people see themselves as brothers and sisters? If you're not your brother keeper, what can you say to me? If you're not your sister's keeper, then you must be my enemy. Okay. When I say live in love, that is the truth. Remember Moses' law, eye for eye, tooth for tooth. How you for have your own child and destroy another youth? Bungo man, I tell you, righteousness is the root. Love another as you love thyself. No more, no strife, don't you hurt thyself. Just be conscious and search thyself. Burn the fire and purge thyself. Why can't people live in love and stop from fighting? See themselves as brothers and sisters.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you, oh yeah. Rise to the occasion, go ahead, you know you're strong. No one can stop you.
It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. You to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright.
Yeah, yeah. Some people read and meditate, others move scanty, yo. Some people are conscious about life, others are still panting, yo. Some people like strong drink, cognac, champagne and brandy, yo. Babies love ice cream and cake and candy, yo. I love herbs and girls, good words, roots, I'm a shanty, yo. Girls love clothes and shoes, going to school brand new and that means spanking, yo. Yes, we all need education because that's the damn thing, yo. All things fade, living it standing.
It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. You to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright.
Fire on the wall of them. Man, I beg no friend from none of them. Fire on the wall of them. You know. Couldn't know them got me rotty. Slew them with karate. Praise King Selassie, you are the high-sent monarchy. Now you get me rotty. Slew them with karate. Rock with me sword and me first out a khaki. Do not get me rotty. Slew them with karate. real Rastafari, him a the golden monarchy. Do not get karate, do the big karate, do the big karate. Yes, I say him a the ancient monarchy. How you feeling? Well, I'm feeling naughty. Burn Babylon because I'm corrupt and them naughty. I am a roar, cool the dog, them holy barky. Yo, Papa for sword and now the flip get marky. The man defend wild. Well, myself is started. Should not rob the old woman a purse down on the market. Should not kill the innocent pedestrian on the street when them are walking. Who don't know? Question me now for asking. Me turn blood them out and me turn blood them stalking. Man, nothing and all of us get dirty. Yo, and I'm blind. Well, then them get me rotty. So I go slew them with karate. Praise King Selassie, you are the ancient monarchy. Do not get karate. Me slew them with karate. Me slew them with karate. Put your down. Yo, feed the girls for you when you reach you got the clump. Make them stop yam the rubbish and stop yam out of them. Yo, me make me read them and they use them put a jump. This thing I tell you just got real kick and come. Now disrespect anytime them come amongst. Show them good gratitude and show them love. Burn out the hate and you must burn out the grudge. I start from said the people. Blood of the mirati, through them with karate. Here King Selassie, you're the ice and monarchy. So do not get me rotty, through you with karate. Through them with karate, yo, hey, put them not the rotty, so I go through them with karate. Praise King Selassie, you're the ice and monarchy. Now them get me rotty, could they know them get me rotty, could they know them get me rotty. So me go praise King Selassie, you're the ancient monarchy, yo. How you feeling? Well, I'm feeling naughty. Me burn up Babylon because I'm corrupt and I'm naughty. Should not rob the innocent youth down in the market. Should not kill the pedestrian on the street when them are walking. Put no corruption and enough for them are talking. Well, that's why lightning nothing is sparking. Yo, King Selassie, me say them get naughty. Through them will go naughty. To the Selassie, I. No, them get naughty. Could I know, me see them get naughty.
Anyway, badness, bring the man go hold him and burn him up. Badness, long time and tell himself to keep it up. Badness, still him really never want to leave it up. That's why the fire go burn him up. I don't want that badness, bring the man go hold him and burn him up. Badness, pass him his sword and make you chop him up. Badness, long time and tell himself to keep it up. I say him never walk, yo. So them a bad man, but them a bad man, beho. So them a wicked man, but them a wicked man, beho. So them a warrior, but them a warrior, beho. We warrior, but them a so them a bad man, but them a bad man, beho. So them a wicked man, but them a wicked man, beho. So them a warrior, but them a warrior, beho. We gonna play number two, the one that name bad man, bad man, when you pop it up, I go say rap, papa. Fire for the boy, when you go the woman, them hot. One them a satan. One bad man, when you pop it up, I go say papa. Fire for the boy, when you go the woman, them hot. One them a satan. Also the big one, yo, fan them now. Fan them up. Accept with them the pan. Music is my mission and me make them no shit. So the woman on my passion. Accept with them the pan. Yo, fan them now. Fan them up. Accept with them the pan. Music is my mission. Me tell them shit. The woman them never my passion. Yo, I know when them tell me that famous. When me get to check it out, you all like them famous. All I push the woman them. Give me the woman them because them are famous. Give me the woman them because them are winers. Give me the woman them because them are liners. Woman them are sick and a search and find us. This is the thing I got the one that name bad man. Bad man with the party cock and say rap papa. Fire for the boy when you go the woman them hot. Boy no one them a satan. What are your badness? Bring the man go hold him up. Badness, pass me the soda me. Badness, long time me tell himself to give it down. I'm on a mission, say what is my purpose? Fishing the youths, them a give up. Yo again, on a mission, say what is my purpose? Fishing the wicked man a burn up. Yo again, on a mission, say what is my purpose? Fishing the youths, them a step up. Yo again, on a mission, say what is my purpose? Fishing the youths, them a live up. Who fi get mash up? I go get mash up. Who fi get burn up? I go get burn up. Who fi get broke up? I go get broke up. Then no fi live up, I fi just go and give up. Then no fi give up, I fi just go and give up. Then no fi corrupt, then they done born corrupt. Who fi get tired? I go get tired. Who fi get pull up? I go get pull up. Who fi get hang up? I go get hang up. Who fi get set up? I go get set up. Who fi get mash up? I go get mash up. This trip of it, I know the whole place corrupt, so me say I burn. On a mission, me say what is my purpose? They say the wicked man a burn up. No again. On a mission, me say what is my purpose? We see the youths, them a step up. Yo again. On a mission, we say what is my purpose. We see the wicked man a burn up. Yo again. On a mission, we say what is my purpose. We see the youth, them a step up. Who is stay proper? I go stay proper.
Yo, got the youth, them a look.
Catch it fire.
Yo, got the food a people.
Catch it up.
Yo, let them make it them shook.
Catch it fire.
Yo, I'm burn all the liars.
Catch it fire.
Yo, got the food a people.
Catch it fire.
Yo, got the youth, them a look.
More fire.
Yo, let them even get shook.
Is it fire?
Aye, aye, aye.
Them can't beg me no pardon, pardon. And them beg them go harden. Tell out the that I'm Rima and Jordan. When them see me foot like a flush garden. Well again, them can't beg me no pardon, pardon. And them beg them go harden. Tell out the that I'm Pangas and Jungle. When them see me foot like a flush garden. Well again, well it no make sense to run. Your head back a bring for me and your bingy chum. Emperor Selassie I insane become. Love get a youth your world down in the slum. Give them all coke and you give them opium. Give them guns to shoot all them one another down. Lucifer 2000 just gone down. Fire me a one pan them new millennium. Tell Babylon Muhammad like curriculum. Some me tell black man say them fi farm up the gun. Make the peace and the corn and the coke on them come probably down too. Start them gun like plum. Me sing again. Them can't beg me no pardon, pardon. And them they beg them go harden. Tell out the them from see you one back to. When them see me book like a flash garden. Well again, them can't beg me no pardon, pardon. And them they beg them go harden. Tell out the them get up on some pardon. When them see me book like a flash garden. Well again, they make you move so fast. Round this away and then you never want pass. No get a you to left on the sidewalk. And they get a you them all a white car glass. Mash up all them and talk on the sidewalk. Babylon this is say that you don't have no heart. That's why black man have blood you what's it not. Babylon, all of you supposed to slack off. Me sing again, them can't beg me no pardon, pardon. And them they beg them the harden. So loudly, them bitch up and some pardon. When them see me foot like a flash garden. Well again, them can't beg me no pardon, pardon. And them they beg them the harden. So loudly, them from leave you back.
That's why they make the thing. Sure. I'll be there for sure. Don't worry. I'll miss them. Bam, 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 bam. It's not an easy. I'll make to the corner when I make it. And that's why they make them take it. Sure. I'll be there for sure. Don't worry. I'll miss them. Bam, 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 bam. It's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the glitter, so them think I better rose. Me say, who feels it knows. Woo, 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 woo. Lord help me sustain these blows. I cry, it's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the glitter, so them think I better rose. Me say, who feels it knows. Woo, 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 woo. Lord help me sustain. Why? From the minute of birth you enter this earth, obstacle there in your way to overcome first. Throughout every day they seem to get
way. Oh, we children of Zion. Come on, me say, come away from the land of the sinking sail. Oh, we children arise. Hear the words of the word. For too long you've been living in confusion, trapped in the world of delusion. Now in this age of the holy Armageddon, up with mighty race, rise to this occasion, and come on, me say, come away from the land of the sinking sail. Come on, me say, come away, oh, be children of Zion. Come on, me say, come away from the land of the sinking sail. Oh, ye children arise. Children, hear the words of the word. Hear the words. In the abundance of blessings, our souls will dwell. By basket and store, all things shall be well. With ever-flowing springs and vastest green. As long as you know the heart is clear, then I say come. Oh, come. I say right up into you. Downtown jailhouse. Flattering leaks and allegation have been spreading across the nation about my problems that are before. Oh Lord, and my enemies are rejoicing. Fans and friends are wondering what's happening to a man of truth and rights. I see my life going down to the captive of hell, so my soul would have to rebel just to set the flesh of men free. Oh Lord, within a queen my life was taken away. 11 days in a captivity. I've got to make the best of my reaction and tell the youth, jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you. Oh, be jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you. Oh, be after days of experience down in a jailhouse. The situation makes my heart wanna cry out. Too much teenage related got shooting in a jailhouse. And you would wonder where they get money to buy the guns to leak each other breeds out. But I don't wanna see the youths at penitentiary. Don't wanna see the youths at Tambrin Farm. I don't wanna see the youths don't have safe child alone in a remand. I would rather see the youths that do some muscling, plant some food and make it big, you juggling. That is only one way to keep yourself out of trouble. And tell the youth, jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you or me. Jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse. Many times I have to fall on my knees and pray, so that I may overcome obstacles in my way. My people being robbed and killed for material things, yes. Brainwashing and plagiarizing is their forte. But I read the book, the holy book, and abide by rule well, and stay away from drugs and guns and live my life cool. I am not gonna fight them war for no territory. The only thing I'm fighting for is to rule my destiny. The silver and gold will vanish away, but the knowledge of Jah is forever to stay. They send I as a messenger, so hear what I say. Trust in God is the only way. You're rich or you poor, you can be gone any day. They send I as a messenger, so hear what I say. Lord. Ho, 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 ho. Hey. Ho, 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 ho. Yes. Now this situation is getting so sticky. Oh mankind, oh mankind. Everything in life has a time and place. Time to awake human race. Time to realize we've been living wrong. Now we're heading for destruction. Come, let's celebrate. It's time for us to appreciate the gift of life that God has given man. Come, let's celebrate. It's time to love and appreciate. Let's all unite. It's time we live as one. In this world today, mankind has gone astray, and that's a price we have to pay. Let's stop the atrocities. No more hypocrisy. We can save humanity, and then we all could celebrate. It's time for us to appreciate the gift of life that God has given man. Come, let's celebrate. It's time for us to appreciate. Let's all unite. It's time to live as one. Music is life. Whoa. Music is love. As the beat goes on, my soul comes alive with each bang of the piano. Yes, yeah. As the beat goes on, the people arise and they call for Luciano. Luciano. Yeah. Luciano. The messenger is back in your town, so string up your sound and come in your tens and thousands. Only conscious vibes around. When we touch down, it's just a good vibration. Moving and grooving. Moving, moving, grooving, moving. Dancing and singing. Lord, yeah. We're moving to the music and we're never gonna stop. Just can't stop. Some try to refuse it, but we ain't looking back. As the beat goes on, my soul comes alive with each bang of the piano. Oh, oh, oh. As the beat goes on, the people arise and they shout for Luciano. Oh, oh, Luciano. Chanting with good energy, filled with vibes and melody. What a wonderful way to be. Music sets the people free, free from pain and misery. And it's the roots reality, yeah. We're moving to the music and we're never gonna stop. Just can't stop. Some try to refuse it, but we ain't looking back.
As the beat goes on, my soul comes alive with each bang of the piano. Oh, oh, oh. As the beat goes on, the people arise and they shout for Luciano. Luciano. Oh, oh, Luciano.
Let the moon and the stars and the sun come shining down on me. It's like a blessing above and it's bringing out the best in me. Like a guiding light and it's brightening up my darks to see. Though the evil they fight, I know they are no threat to me. Lord, I thank you, thank you. You guided and you shoulder me. Lord, I thank you for all that you have done for me. I was never surprised when I opened up my eyes to see. You break the bars and the chains and you open up the gates for me. Though the road may be rocky, I know that it's my destiny. So I thank you for all that you have done for me. Oh, I thank you. You got it and you show.
You can't stop me on the mission, let me dey pan remember. The works must go on. No care how them try stop this. The work must go on. Me burn the evil where them practice. The works must go on. No care how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me burn the evil where them practice. You see the rain a fall, you see the sun a shine. Adjust your works, adjust your works. Yaga yo, speech to the dumb and give sight to the blind. Adjust your works, adjust your works. Remember that I uplift your standard, so you could have tried it in your sandals. Bun hypocrite and bun scandal. Man have a clean at me, iritical yo yo. The works must go on. No care how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil when them a practice. The works must go on. No care how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil when them a practice. Yo, them no have no love in a them. Bloodsucker vampire be a grudge in a them. Them don't love the youth, them no have no hug in a them. The words on me mouth we call them pussy in a them. The work me come be published, connected to the public. Me no come here for no lula lady, say I no lavish. Yes, it is my wish. Love me preach and practice all across the world, and this me brandish. Yaga yo, yaga yo. Works must go on. Oh yo, don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No watch you wicked trap them. I said, don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No watch how them a rush and roulette. Get a youth man a rise, bad mind want him pop down. Gonna hold your man from sunrise to sundown. But that to carry watch the words and your bad tongue. We burn out the bad mind thing and jam down. Now the ghetto youth make him stress. You always come on with bad vibes. Why this system so connive? Them no like we see you have a hot car a drive. Don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No what you wicked trap them a set. Don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No what how them a rush and roulette. Poor man want food, clothes and shelter. I can hear the cry out a road, but still no help ya. Them no like it when you help yourself. The dirty system why you fence yourself. In the line of success, them why you bent yourself. Them no love when you arise and a motivate yourself. Don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No what you wicked trap them a say. Don't worry. It's all about the life you living. Tell you about the good life with the good vibes.
is your virgin, sister is your sister. Everyone want to make it, but if for one slice of bread, remember, make we break it. Good life with the good vibes. Virgin is your virgin, sister is your sister. Everyone want to reach there. Don't forget to love, please remember care. I feel hot, and so I've got to talk. Instead of people living better off, them are dead off. Too much of the rat race and the tug of war. Want to look like giant, try me favor, do up. Prophets have shown us love must be all us. But what's the then see the one side and no love. Want to dethrone us, they cannot get us off the righteous path. Cause we are deal with the good life, with the good vibes. Virgin is your virgin, sister is your sister. Everyone want to make it, but if for one
tribulation, you hear? John, I really can't understand it. I own the Babylon system of flow. I said it want to make Rastaman panic, but it's one thing I and I know. Sometimes the pressure make we feel like Allah, and then we look within the way out. Breaking me back to make overnight dollar. And Babylon don't want it reach to we mouth. Still we are keeping up for resistance. You can't get the Rastaman out. Brigadier is keeping up for resistance. They can't get the Rastaman out. I miss a blow, I blow, storm blow. I have to go home later tonight. I have to spend some time with my family. Tonight I wanna sleep with my wife. Although the poor people don't have no shelter and they're dying for hungry, they better put their trust into Jehovah, and Jah will surely work one way out. But they have to have some strong resistance, and I'm gonna work it out. You better have strong resistance, and Jah will help you out. Because Jah little lightning, Jah roll thunder, Jah put water in the river, and Jah make you mommy, Jah make you daddy. Come here, so everything will be irie. So me say blow man blow, blow man blow, blow me so home so man blow. Wow, blow man blow, blow 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 man blow, you know, blow me so home so man cheap. Sometimes the pressure make a high man holler, and I can preach there is no way out. Oh God Almighty, what type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Jah know it is a sin. What kind of world are we living in? From the 6 of me up to 81, politics war, fear my shot the land. Where them get a miss so much gun from. Not to remember M16 times and the mother one. What's who coming so Remington the smaller one. When Rima fire shot and jungle is a lick it back. Give all the fire shot and then on town will lick it back. When we teach them fire shot and Angola lick it back. Tap one fire shot and me second fire back. It go bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Then we show civilian and Christian with the bazooka and the Remington. Then no matter if you are politician, anywhere you go you have to understand. When Rima fire shot, jungle is a lick it back. Give a fire shot, them a town will lick it back. Hermitage a fire shot and August town will lick it back. That one fire shot again, time you lick it back. It go boom, bye, 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 boom, bye, bye, brr, bye, bye, boom, bye, 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 boom, bye, bye, bye. Man, what kind of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Now we say, gunman, you tell me where you get the gun from. Repeat it again, gunman, you tell me where you get the gun from. You know, star, you gonna keep him up the man.
This a junior bum, this a junior bum, this a junior bum. If Jah is standing by my side, then why should I be afraid of a pestilence that crawleth by night? If Jah is standing by my side, then why should I be afraid of a pestilence that crawleth by night? Your best you try to harm I and I, aiming to kill, but I love you still. your will. No weapon that form against me, desire shall not be. Divine protection shall set my soul free. Talk to me. Jah is standing by my side. Then why should I be afraid of a pestilence that crawleth by night? If Jah is standing by my side, then why should I be afraid of a pestilence that crawleth by night? The gates of hell can never prevail. From I know Jah, he never fail. What you think I'm gonna keep up now? No, not go bow. My foes attack and I just smile. They don't seem to understand my style. My confidence is so high. In a Baba Jah is standing by my side. And then why should I be afraid of a pestilence that crawling by night?
Said them want come destroy the island. I know, yes I know. So what if my destiny plan? And I know that is the foundation. Boy, in my destiny plan. And I know that is the foundation. For so long we've been down there. One day we stepping higher. We stepping higher. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this one. It's a song for the poor who's facing separation. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this one. It's a song for the poor who's facing separation. All around, up down pressure. Why you only terrorize the poor? Eluding the fact they are human, who one day will not take it anymore. Whoa. Take it from your brother Everton blender. Now is the time for you to get stronger. Wise up, and temper your anger. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this one. It's a song for the poor who is facing separation. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this one. It's a song for the poor who is facing tribulation. Give a little, even a little, just make it true. Don't pull it.
Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the fight.
Time getting harder, still we striving for better. Gonna stop till the battle is won and we get justice. Cause if you lose your stand, anyone will try to push you over. awful pitfalls and their worries. Pain endure for one night, but joy cometh in the morning. And if you lose your soul, there's nothing to gain, it will be over. Over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize.
Oh, Shiloh wants to know, wants to know. Are you satisfied? Wipe the tears from your eyes. I'm all alone, still you thought I was telling a lie. Are you satisfied? No one's with me tonight. Only Jah, and He's always by my side. Pretty little woman, don't you trust me no more? You don't have to break down my door. I'm all alone. Come inside and you will see there's no one here but me. Told you I'll soon be over, still you refuse to believe. Are you satisfied? Wipe the tears from your eyes. I'm all alone, still you thought I was telling a lie. Are you satisfied? No one's with me tonight. Only Jah, and He's always by my side. Girl, you know I love you so. I can't hurt you. No, 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 no. Want you to what I say. I won't desert you nowhere. You will overstand. That's Jah who I obey. Are you satisfied? Wipe the tears from your eyes. I'm all alone, still you thought I was telling a lie. Are you satisfied? No one's with me tonight. Only Jah, and
Don't know. They really don't know. I let them know. Loyal soldier, just let them know. Come and we burn them everywhere that we go. Yeah. God is my witness. Enough man a call panja, but them no mean it. Oh, Jaja, you're my weakness. Enough wicked soul, I go feel it. God is my weakness. Enough man a call pan God, but them no mean it. Oh, Jaja, you're my weakness. Enough wicked soul, I go feel it. Whoa, yeah. Me come fi chop off every fluttering lips. Me come fi burn every deceitful tongue. God, they want everything for themselves. I wouldn't dare give the youths them none. To the rising of the morning and the going down of the sun. Them now no space for hide, no space for run. When them spiritual fire ya a burn. God is my witness. Enough man a call panja, but them no mean it. Selassie, I am my weakness. Enough wicked soul a bigger feel it. God is my weakness. Enough man a call panja, but them no mean it. Oh, Jaja, you're my weakness. Enough wicked soul a bigger feel it. Whoa, yeah. Them all remember all the king when certain thing in them life really a go wrong. When them fall in a trouble and them life end up way down in a quicksand. Them go lose faith in the king and put everything in a Babylon. Earthquake and lava, the wicked them can't escape this a one. God is my witness. Enough man a call panja, but them no mean it. Oh, Jaja, you're my weakness. Enough wicked soul a bigger feel it. God is my witness.
Stand up, put your hat where you can't reach it. It doesn't make no sense.
them a rinse and a frown. Stumbling blocks will have to move, come we go mash them down. Can't lose, deal with them rust because I prove them come approve me. I mash them down, nah lose. All them a rinse and a frown. Stumbling blocks will have to move, come we go mash them down, nah lose. Galante come and mash them down, nah lose. Listen up, turn, I say to honor your mother and your father. Tell you again, I say to love you one another. Praise the last I crown in Addis Ababa, 2nd of November 1930. Java. Hey, from the wicked, me dash the atta lava. Big up the ghetto girl, a Kingston and Balaclava. Mama used to give me dumpling, make out a cassava. Yo, you got the riches, you must share what you have. Farmer plant the food and stop the people them from starving. Yo, Johnny does with his rod and with his staff. Hard paid and me know them must get cut off. Babylon them bread get shut off. Come what we go mash them down, nah lose. All them a rinse and a brown. Stumbling block will have to move, come we go mash them down, nah lose. Why not? Say approve, them approve. Wicked people, we are go mash them down, nah lose. Conquering lion, obstacles them come and move, come we go mash them down, nah lose. Babylon we mash them down. Burn them plan and them plot and them strategies. Burn them up, them computers and them cartridges. Lion in the jungle, I'm gonna bust them categories. This one I say are them end up in a hurries. Mash them down, nah lose. Deal with them rust because of who them come approve. Come let me go mash them down, nah lose. Babylon I mash them down.
Lie them and tell me not believe them. Boom. I said them love the people and deceive them. Yeah. Lie them and tell me not believe them. Vampire drinking the people blood and them and feel them. Boom. Lie them and tell me not believe them. Yeah. I said them love the people and deceive them. Boom. Lie them and tell me not believe them. And I can't say they not good to feed them. Babylon a thief, me say Babylon a liars. Walk down the people till them broke down and tired. Put them on redundant, show them one them retired. Give them permanent key and psychological fires. Every day, cause I live and get tired. All kinds say I'm more sellers than buyers. Can't miss the Congos, now the Asian Nayas. This Capleton, I know me turn them in the fires and say, lie them and tell me not believe them. Boom. I said them love the people, still deceive them. Yeah. Lie them and tell me not believe them. Yo, I wouldn't really want to be the lead them. Boom. Lie them and tell me not believe them. Yeah. I said them love the people and deceive them. Yeah. Lie them and tell me not believe them. Them a courage and them have the food to feed them. Well, Babylon, them not speak the truth. This Capleton, them a go get execute. Every day I carry about food for the youth. Destroy the MSK, the whole place them pollute. Never make me put on me, they got them same one, give the youth gun to shoot. Babylon, they see them one, destroy the root. Righteousness, they get the youth execute and so. Lie them and tell me not believe them. I said them love the people and deceive them. Yeah. Lie them and tell me not believe them. But why you tell the people let them leave them?
Get it right, we're shining bright. Boom. Hail to the Most High, Emperor Selassie. Get it right, we're shining bright. Boom. Let us give God thanks and the praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful and aim for right. Let us give God thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful, aim for right. Be active and responsive, don't to be clumsy, don't to hurt the children of the earth and let no one see. Youth have to die, don't to go astray. Open and pray and let the blessing come amongst me. Remember what Jah has done for us. Create the heaven and the earth, He shine the sun for us. He watch over our daughters and son for us. He's for all, not just some of us. Let us give Jah thanks and the praise for all His goodness all those years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful, aim for right. Children, give Jah thanks and praise for all His love and kindness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful and aim for right. Love to the world, everyone say. We been coming a long way. Mount Zion, I love surround way. They get it going the wrong way. El King Selassie, of course, Rastafari is the Lord of Horse. Israel King is Israel God, of course. Love the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, of course. Do job thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful for I. Give God thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful. Is the last year. Oh, from morning till noon, give thanks and praise before you doom. Most times the last year is coming soon. In the fire, the wicked consume. From the hills and to the valleys, from the stream, the fountains and the tributaries, all living things. They're on this territory down.
Yo, from fire get pegged with the dagger. The same money when them get kicked under them bladder. Enough of them me find out, say enough of them a fagger. Crabbing a barrel, no me gossy, say them a crabber. The same money well I know the judgment adder. Enough of them a jump and stagger, so me say a jump. Well, me no care who them are, me still a bun them. And me no care with them for, me still a done them. And me no know who them are, me still a bun them. Them and them rumors a warm and a bun them. Well, me no care who them are, me still a done them. And me no care with them for, me still a bun them. And me no know who them are, me still a bun them. Give me the fire, make me give me a reason why they fuss and fight. Give me a reason why they can't unite. Give me a reason why they can't unite. Give me a reason why they can't live right. Blazing. The one that be up young, them a fuss. Against them one another. Them a cuss. Against them one another. Who's fuss. Against them one another. Them a cuss. Them one another. Yo! Fire keep burning, keep burning.
Anyhow, judgment, they will be getting it. Whoa, the struggle in hard in the street, and the heat is on everyone. You can see it, keeps going on, and we no retreat. Because them shoot and do they get our youth for the least. The struggle in hard in the street, and the heat is on everyone. You can see it, keeps going on, and we no retreat. Because them shoot they get our youth for the least. Gosh, we're rolling around the place with automatic switches to drown the place. See what I don't like to get up. That's a race. What to do here? You shouldn't be here. You're spying the place. Whoa, early up the cops control the place. You get thrown in your face. You got a dagger to my hammer. I and lion on the west. Roll down test my whoa, the struggling hard in the street. And the heat is on everyone. You can see it. Keeps going on. And when I retreat, you see it. Them should they get you them for the least. Whoa, the struggling hard in the street. And the heat is on everyone. You can see it. Keeps going on. Rasta now retreat. Because them kill they get the people for the least. Wow, you know what is justice? Stand up tall for it. Yeah, you know I'm all for it. Load my them because you know they call for it. I know I see that they ain't gonna fall for it. I got no time to put them back against the wall for it. Yo, in the plaza in the ball for it. You diss me yesterday, and today you kick you up and stick you up. You wanna ball for it. We need a pack like cocaine, no damn it. And the big and place are gonna bomb it. We going tonight, are you coming? No need for you to be running. Oh, the struggling hard in the street, and the heat is on everyone. You can see it. Keeps going on, and we now retreat. Because them so they get to use some for the least. Boy, obstacles get knocked down. Free up just cured on the business where you're locked down. In a sense, you the big and I shot down. Just like I never leave my home, I don't must. Oh, you're selling information, you're leaking for who, yo. Spy, you're peeping for who. When we check it out, you're just some freaking fool, yo.